All right, guys, I'm going to get you started with today's classwork. So we're doing the input-output tables. So we're substituting the x in for the x letter in the rule and to figure out the y. So I'm going to put a -1 where this x is and do the math on my Desmos calculator. So 3 times -1 is -3. Okay, so that's my x and that's my y. Now I'm going to plug in a 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. All right, and then 1 times 3 is 3. And then I'm going to plug in a 2. So I'm just putting these x values in for the x. And then 3 times 2 is 6. And then to check your answers, we're going to add all these up. So on your calculator, you're going to do -3 plus 0 plus 3 plus 6. And that equals 6. So you're going to find it at the bottom. And if your answer's there, then your y values are probably good. And then you're going to drag it up and put it in the sum place. All right, so that's what you do for all these. We're going to look at number 8 too, because there's a fraction there. So I just want to talk about that really quick. So if you have 3/2 times -8, you're just going to set that up and multiply the fractions. So you're going to do 3 times -8 on the top of the fractions over 2 times 1. So -8 times 3 will be on the top, or plug this into your Desmos calculator. That will also work. 3 over 2 times -8. So 3 times -8 is -24 divided by 2 is -12. Okay, so you can also put this in your Desmos calculator, okay? Same thing with 3 over 2 times -4 over 1. You're basically just multiplying two fractions when you substitute that -4 in. So 3 times -4 is -12. -12 divided by 2, -6. All right, now plug in a -2 here. So 3 times -2, because that will be the top of the fraction, is -6. And -6 divided by 2 is -3. All right, now plug in the 2 up here. So I'm multiplying 3 over 2 times 2 over 1. And 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. All right, and then we're going to add all these up on your calculator. So -12 plus -6 plus -3 plus 3 equals -18 on your calculator. And so you'll drag that up. All right, guys, hope that helps. Try 2 through 7. Email me if you have any questions while you're working.